Hello my people, this is Director Berlin Henry. Thank you very much for supporting me, kwa kushare, kwa kusubscribe, kwa like. May God bless you kabisa. I'm back again with a new tutorial, making Ohangla beat within 1 minute. So let's begin. As usual, a tempo ni 111 and napanga na kick. So here we go. Go. And then shakers. Nilishaicheza, so I want to panga it. Iko juu sana. So lazima ni reduce, huwa naiweka at a range of 45 to 50. Yes. Iko juu, so lazima ni balance automatically, you know. Huwezi cheza hivyo. Jesus Christ. So there we go. Nimewambia range ni 45 to 50 depending. No wahala. So here we go. Napanga hii, then kila kitu iko sawa. So unasikia? Okay. So that is it. There's something we have forgotten. You pick with you. Tumbas. So hiyo ni percussion tu. That is only percussion. Sasa percussion yangu nikishacheza nimeongeza. Hiyo ni another mid snare my friend. Naenda hivi. Tumbas. Here we go. So this is the rhythm. So here we go. So that is it, the end of percussion yangu, na ndio kucheza nini kwangu vile ni. This is the beat now. yes my people, that is a simple way of kutengeneza Ohangla beat within 1 minute. Nimeshaitengeneza. And that's it. Thank you and may God bless you for watching, for sharing, for subscribing. Continue subscribing. Tufike 10k view. 10k subscribers, not view. That's the thing.